This song doesn't feel powerful in the way we usually expect. It doesn't dominate the room or overwhelm you. Instead, it feels safe. And that's why it spreads. If you felt that too, you're not alone. Some songs show strength by being loud, by pushing harder, by overpowering. You've heard those songs before, but Super doesn't do that. It doesn't raise its voice. It changes how strength sounds. This song feels like strength you are allowed to share, not power of others, power with others. Think about that for a second. When was the last time strength felt shared, not competitive? Super doesn't make you feel small. It doesn't intimidate you. It doesn't ask you to prove yourself. It invites you in. And that's a different kind of strength. The kind that makes room for you instead of pushing you out. Songs like this travel far because they don't ask you to compete. They don't tell you to be better than someone else. They ask you to belong. And belonging is something people want to share. This isn't loud power, it's shared strength. What does super feel like to you? Strength? Togetherness? Safety? I'm reading the comments and I really want to hear your take.